In the 16th century, Spain was Western Europe's dominant power. King Philip II sought to extend his empire and Roman Catholic faith. In July of 1588, his armada reached the southwest coast of England, where they were besieged. In retreat to Calais, the Spanish fleet scattered, and the only route back home was north around Scotland and Ireland. This decision was their doom. The Spanish Armada encountered heavy storms, and many of the ships were violently wrecked, and it is thought that over 5,000 sailors died of exposure. It is reported that only 67 ships out of the 132 got back to Spain because of that fateful storm, totally defeated and demoralized. Many in Spain blamed the Armada's commander, Medina Sidonia, a high-born courtier with no experience at sea, but King Philip II was not one of these. He blamed its failure on the weather, saying, "I sent you out to war with men, not with the wind and waves." The Spanish-English conflict was viewed all over Europe as a contest between Catholicism and Protestantism. The English viewed the unlikely victory as being proof of God's support for the Protestant cause. Church services in thanks were held across the country, and a number of medals were produced to commemorate the event, including the Armada Medal, which gave tribute to the weather. The inscription on the back of the medal read, "Jehovah blew with his winds, and they were scattered." This was the turning point in history, which signaled England's rise and began Spain's decline.